So I'm just searing the meatballs now before I put them into the Dutch oven. Hi guys, thank you for joining me. In this video I am going to be cooking a really nice meal in my Petromax Dutch oven. So I've literally just seared the meatballs and I'm just slightly searing the onions that I'm going to be putting in, and then I'm going to put all the ingredients into the Dutch oven and let it cook for a while. So it's the first time I'm ever using the FT3 Dutch oven. I'm really excited to be using it, and yeah, it's just a new experience, another skill, and hopefully the food tastes nice as well. So I'm going to be cooking a meatball dish for myself and Bushwhacker Man. So hopefully it turns out well, and hopefully you enjoy it, Dad.
It's going to be nice. Whether it smells as good as it tastes, I'm going to be a lucky man.
Yeah, so you can't beat this. Lovely weather, we're up the woods and we're eating some nice food. Happy days. So here's my cute little FT3 Petromax Dutch oven. Really excited to be using it, and I can't wait to cook today's meal but also future meals. I might even give a go at doing bread, as I've always wanted to bake bread over the fire. Got a really hot fire going with plenty of embers so I can place some on the top of the Dutch oven. So the meatballs are cooking away nicely. They're now in the Dutch oven, just simmering on the fire. I will introduce the heat onto the top of the Dutch oven once it's cooked a little bit more. And then after a while I'm going to add this cheese onto the top just to give it a nice little bit of flavouring. I also want to say a huge thank you to one of my Patreons, Alan from New Zealand, who gave me this lovely jacket and also this necklace which is from New Zealand. The Maori actually wore this sort of stone, it's a green stone, So I want to say a huge thank you. I really love the jacket and this, and also some of the other gifts you gave me. They are lovely. So a massive thank you to you, Alan. Cheers. So it's been cooking for quite a while now. I've just removed the embers that were on the top. I'm going to add some cheese, and then hopefully it will melt in there. That smells so good. Looking forward to that. The dinner is served. I'm going to put this back on the fire to keep warm. Keep it ticking over. Look forward to eating this.
Cool. Cheers, Bex. Very nice. Nice sauce.
I haven't had meatballs in ages, have you?
That's your first Dutchie. Look.
Yeah.
Would you rate it?
Really like it. Nice with some garlic bread, isn't it? So we've now finished our meal. It's really nice, wasn't it?
Can't wait for the next time you do it. That's one of my favourite. I think that's your best meal.
Really? Thanks to the Dutch oven. I really enjoyed using it. It was
Good old Dutchie.
Yeah. It was really simple to use. And you really rate your one, don't you? You've got the FT6, isn't it?
Yeah, the larger version, but that's an ideal size for two people or a person on their own.
Yeah,
That
definitely.
filled both of us up, didn't it?
Yeah.
FT3.
Yeah, definitely.
Really nice.
Really rate the Dutch oven. So I'm going to wash it out now and hang it on the fire for it to dry. It's quite a lot of maintenance for a Dutch oven.
They're worth it though,
yeah,
aren't they? You got
100%.
the one with the legs on as well, didn't you?
Yeah.
You like the legs?
You can get one with just a clear base and one with the legs. I chose to have the legs. I just think it's better for standing and serving and things like that.
That's a perfect size. And you said earlier you can, which I never thought of, with the grate on the top.
Oh yeah.
That's a great idea. So I'm not trying to over talk you, Bex, but I think that's a great idea on top of that. Nice grate with the coals in there.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's a good idea.
And you got yourself a portable barbecue.
Yeah.
Never thought of that.
No, it's a good idea, isn't it?
We have to give that a go.
They do a lot of different things, don't they? Lots of meals you can cook, and then you can do that barbecue idea.
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have a go at that. But this is perfect size, isn't it, for lightweight sort of travel in your car, or
yeah, 100%. For
just a
one
little
person
camp.
or two.
I really like that. That's coming bushwhackers swim. Imagine we're stacking, we have to get the whole collection.
Yeah,
do a
I'd love to do that.
Do a stacker, big meal.
Different thing in each one.
Yeah, thanks Becky. Nice eating out.
Yeah, so we're going to wash up now, or we'll leave it to me, as usual.
Yeah, I don't want to get my hands too soft because they blister up.
Oh really? And you're just currently making a spoon, aren't you?
Yeah, another one to the collection. I've been whittling away while Becky was cooking.
Yeah, very nice. I like that. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and there'll be plenty more cook-ups in the Dutch oven. Take care, and thank you to all my wonderful patrons.
See you later guys. Enjoy the great outdoors.